In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your foldable equipment cart. In the box, you've got your cart platform, 3 swivel wheels, 2 stationary wheels, removable handle, and mounting hardware. Let's get started with assembly. Start with the end opposite the rail pin wires and place the stationary wheels on the bolts. Be sure that the locking brake is facing the outside of the cart for easy access. Next, place a washer and lock nut on each bolt to secure the wheel in place. You can hand tighten at first, but you will need a 7/16 inch wrench to secure the bolts. Now let's place the swivel wheels on the 3 remaining wheel assemblies. And to secure the wheels in place, put a washer and lock nut on each bolt. Hand tighten at first, but then use a 7/16 inch wrench to secure the bolts. Now let's add the removable handle. Place the bolt through the mounting bracket and insert it into the hole on the cart. Next, take one of the 2 lock washers and nuts and secure the mounting bracket to the cart using a wrench. Repeat this process for the other mounting bracket. Now it's time to add the locking pins to the wire. It's like a keychain, so you'll have to twist the pin onto the wire. Flip the cart over and add the removable handle. Just align the holes and slide the locking pins into place. Now, your foldable equipment cart is ready for use.